Grade 10, Unit 8, Characteristics of Organisms. Now first, actually, I have given here a list of characteristics. Having a cellular organization, nutrition, respiration, excretion, responding to stimuli or irritability, movement, reproduction, growth and development. Now first, let us discuss the first one. Having a cellular organization. All the organisms are made of cells. Now, organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, euglena, actually yeast, chlamydomonas. So, in these organisms, you have only one cell. Only one cell is present. Within this cell, all the living activities occur. We call them unicellular organisms, bacteria, and actually there are some fungi also, unicellular fungi. Now actually all the organisms are made of cells. Some are unicellular, and actually most of the organisms are multicellular. Multicellular organisms mean having many cells in their bodies. Now these cells actually, there are different, in multicellular organisms you have different types of cells, different types, and therefore you have different types of tissues. Tissues are made of cells. Tissues are made of cells, and organs are made of tissues. Body systems are made of organs. Now we have in our bodies digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, excretory system, blood system. Now actually these systems are formed of actually organs. Organs are formed of tissues. Tissues are formed of actually cells, right? So this is one characteristic of organisms. Nutrition. To maintain life, all the organisms actually need food. Not only food, vitamins and minerals also. Now, for the growth and to repair tissues and to get energy, you need food. Now, animals cannot make their own food, but green plants have actually chlorophyll in the bodies of plants actually. In green plants, photosynthesis occurs. Food is produced by photosynthesis. Now, green plants are, so actually they make food and they utilize that food. Animals also depend on food produced by plants. Now, there are some bacteria, so they synthesize food using chemicals. Therefore, they are chemo-autotrophic organisms. Green plants are now photo-autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic organisms mean these organisms can synthesize their food. The two types of autotrophic organisms are chemo-autotrophic and mainly photo-autotrophic, right? Nutrition. Now, what is respiration? Respiration is the process by which organisms get their energy. Now, when photosynthesis occurs, energy is stored in food. This chemical energy is released when respiration occurs. All the organisms need food. Actually, food substances are oxidized inside cells. Now, in cells you have very small organelles called mitochondria. Now, respiration occurs in mitochondria. Now, respiration is actually oxidation of food is oxidized to release energy actually stored up in food. Now, carbon dioxide and water are formed. As a result. Now, all the organisms actually need energy for all the activities actually, for all the living activities and for actually things that we do actually. So we need energy for them. Energy is obtained from food by means of this process which we call respiration. Respiration is actually oxidation of food substances inside mitochondria. Now excretion. Now actually what we do here is actually summary for this. Actually for a lesson like this you need about 2 hours. But actually I am trying to do the same actually within 15 minutes. So therefore, now this is actually respiration is the energy releasing process. Now excretion. In the cells of organisms, many reactions occur. Respiration is an example. Now, when actually reactions which occur inside cells, actually, so is called metabolism or metabolic activities. Metabolic activities are the chemical reactions which occur in cells. When metabolic activities occur, products are formed, some substances are formed. Now, some substances we need them and some substances we do not need them. They are excretory products. Actually, when metabolic activities occur, some substances are formed which we need them. They are secretory products. And some substances are formed which we do not need them. They are excretory products. Now, excretory products are the metabolic waste matter. Carbon dioxide is a waste matter. Carbon dioxide is an excretory substance which is formed when respiration occurs. Now, uric acid, also excretory product. And even water, when we have excess water in our bodies, that water is also actually excretory product. And excess salts, unnecessary vitamins. So all these are down. Excretory products are removed from our bodies. Now actually by these processes, by sweat, some excretory products are removed by sweat and some by exhale air. When we exhale, right? And also mainly urine. In sweat you have urea, sodium chloride, mainly urea, sodium chloride and water. 1% of urea, 1% of sodium chloride salt, and about 98% of water. In exhale air you have carbon dioxide, also water vapor. In urine you have about 96% water, about 2% urea, about 2% other salts except sodium chloride. Sodium chloride salt is removed with actually sweat. Other salts are excreted by with urine. Now, this is also a characteristics of all the organisms, excretion, responding to stimuli. Now, so when we hear a sound, we turn and see what it is. Now, sound is the stimulus here. We turn and see there, no? So it is the actually response done to that stimulus. When we touch an automatically our hand is withdrawn. All these are responding to stimuli. Even plants, now some plants, now some roots of plants actually grow towards water, towards gravity, and stem towards light. So these are also responding to stimuli. It's a living characteristic. Movement. Now, moving from place to place is locomotion. Plants do not locomote. Now, almost all the organisms, all the animals, they locomote. But there are some animals, actually they cannot move from place to place. Now, all the other movements, now movement of our body organs and going from place to place, all these come under movement. It is also characteristic of all the organisms. And reproduction is actually producing offspring. Now when organisms are matured, they produce offspring. Now new organisms are produced by mature organisms. It's actually now all these activities we discuss in separate lessons. Now this is just actually an introduction. Now example, you will do reproduction in unit 14, last lesson of the second term. Now growth and development is also a characteristics of organisms. All the organisms they grow. Growth occurs due to actually dividing cells. When cells are matured, they are divided and form new cells. As a result, actually organisms grow. Now, when a new organism is introduced by uniting a sperm with an ovum, a zygote is formed. This zygote is divided into many cells, and actually Now some cells are specialized to form new tissues, different tissues. So this is development. Now all these are characteristics of organism. We will do all these in your future lessons. So for all this you have separate lessons. Now this is actually an introduction. Now ask your friends also to participate in this and ask them also, and you also actually do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.